Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video we are going to talk about another great project that I'll let you know about. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before we proceed, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press to the notifications bell. Okay, so today in this video we'll be talking about Virtual Peep. Here we are to the website of the Virtual Peep. It is a platform that enables users to create and manage AI-powered tokens across multi-blockchain. The token simplifies creation with intuitive tools, customizable tokenomics, and built-in governance, all secured by robust smart contract and backed by the native token VPAI. So we can see here the token symbol is VPAI, and let me tell you that they are going to start their pre-sale, and their pre-sale will be held in 6 days and 15 hours. So here we have the pre-sale countdown, so you can get a last chance to buy before launch, and we can see the USDT raise is almost $1, so you should definitely join to their pre-sale and connect the wallet. So here we can see the option to connect wallet, so you can connect your best wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and etc., and then you will be able to purchase the token. And here we have some of the social channels, the Twitter, Telegram, etc. You should definitely follow them on Twitter and join them on Telegram to be able to understand the project. If you have any type of questions, so you can ask to their team and purchase the token. But first we must be able to know more about the project. And here we can see that Virtual Peep empowers users to create AI agents that automatically generate tokens, optimize tokenomics, and manage cross-chain deployments. Whether launching a meme coin or handling decentralized governance, VPAI unlocks seamless token creation, distribution, and community management in a secure and scalable ecosystem. Virtual Peep is a next-generation platform that enables users to create and manage AI-powered tokens across multi-blockchains, and the solution simplifies token creation with intuitive tools and customizable tokenomics. And then here we have some of their latest features of the project. They have customizable AI agents, which configure agents for automatic token management, market responsiveness, and tailored. They have AI-driven token creation with effortlessly generate and customize tokens using advanced AI agents. You can also do cross-chain deployment, deploy tokens seamlessly on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and many more. And customizable AI agents with leverage models of staking rewards and adoptive fee structure that evolve with platform actively. With secure infrastructure, you can get benefit from audit, smart contract, rigorous security protocols, and continuous monitoring. We have some of the roadmap of the project, that what they have planned for their future, what is the future planning of the project. So in first phase in 2025, they are going to start their pre-sale with launch and staking, with kickoff Virtual Peep with the pre-sale of VPAI, the official platform launch, and activation of staking rewards to energy to early adopters. In Q1, which is 2026, they are approved for concept, develop a minimum valuable product. In Q2, they have MVP launch with enhanced smart contract capabilities, integrate real-time data feed, and deploy early stage AI algorithm. And with Q4, they have security and testing, and Q5 have security and trust streams. They used to integrate additional EVM capabilities that once define AI models with continuous learning and focused strategic partnership to broken ecosystem reach. So this is the future planning of the Virtual Peep. Okay, so let's come how to buy Virtual Peep. So to buy Virtual Peep, these are following steps to purchase this. So first of all, you have to create a wallet. You can set up a compatible cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, and Phantom wallet. And then you have to add funds, like you have to transfer ETH, BNB, or other accept cryptocurrencies to your wallet. And then you have to connect your wallet to the website. So visit your website pre-sale page and connect your wallet from there. And then simply you have to buy VPI token and select the amount of VPI token as you wish to purchase and confirm the transaction. So in this way you will purchase the Virtual Peep token easily. So these are the 4 processes to buy the token. And then we have the tokenomics of the project. So they have 45% for the pre-sale, they have 20% for staking, you will get community marketing 10%, 10% for liquidity and listings, and ecosystem and development is 10% as well, and 5% for team and advisors. So this is the distribution of the project out of 1 billion total supply. Some of the frequently asked question, that how do AI agent cure tokens, create tokens, what benefit do we get from the VPI Topher, how cross-chain compatibility achieved. So if you have any type of question, so you can go through this. Okay, by buying VPI before price increases, so you will get a reward, and you can see the current price of the token is $0.021, but with the passage of time it will increase, so you should buy VPI token before the price increases. Then we have next price, which is 0.0211, so you should definitely buy this, and then you will be able to check this. So you should definitely follow them on Twitter and Telegram. Here we have the Telegram link as well to be able to understand the project easily. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description, which you can use to access as soon as you are going to get the link in my description. So you should definitely follow them on Twitter, Telegram, all the social channels, and you should definitely purchase the token from there. So go and connect your wallet and purchase a virtual PEEP. You get a last chance to buy before launch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.